For a natural lifted face, it's really easy. Keep your mouth corner up and push up your cheeks. If you can't move your cheeks up and down like this, start with this exercise. Very simple. Smiling up, showing your upper teeth, then curl. Focus your mind on your cheeks and lift up your cheeks while doing that. Keep showing your upper teeth. Some of you will see many lines and folds here. If you don't like it, you can use your fingers to prevent it. Holding that position for 20 seconds and repeat 2 more times. Doing that every day, you see your cheeks muscle get stronger and stronger. Then you can do the next exercise, which is lifting up your cheeks. Yeah, so keep practicing. Do it every day. It's only take you 2-3 minutes.